Hey everyone, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to send money in PayPal using a phone or tablet. So first, you need to open the PayPal app right there. Please open the PayPal app on your phone or tablet. It's a blue icon with white P, and you'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. So the next thing that we will need to do, once you've tapped the PayPal app, all you have to do now is to sign in to PayPal. If you've signed in before, you'll be prompted to enter your password or use a biometric such as Touch ID to log back in. Otherwise, sign in with PayPal using your PayPal account. So next is to click on the send button or tap the send button. So if it's your first time using the app to make a payment, tap the blue Let's Get Started button at the bottom of the screen when prompted to do so. So next step is to follow the on-screen instructions. So you need to import your contacts. This allows you to easily send money to your iPhone or iPad or Android contacts. So tap Access Contacts and then follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. Tap Not Now if you prefer not to use your contacts. Next is to select or enter a contact. If the person you're sending money to is in your contacts, scroll down and select their email address or phone number now. If not, enter their email address or mobile phone number into the field at the top of the screen, and then tap it to create a payment. After tapping, you need to enter the payment amount. Use the on-screen keypad to type the amount. If the currency is incorrect, tap the drop-down menu to select an alternative. After inputting the payment amount, please click the next button. It's at the bottom of the screen. Next step is to select the payment type. Choose friends and family to send a payment to someone you know, or goods and services to pay for something you're buying. The type of payment you make determines the payment fees. So personal payments are fee-less, but paying for goods requires a small fee for PayPal purchase protection. So once you have chosen your payment type, all we need to do now is to click Next or tap Next, and then all payment methods you've connected to the account will appear. So after that, review your payment and tap Send Now. If you'd like to attach a message, tap Add a Note below the amount, and then once you've ensured the details are correct, tap the button at the bottom of the screen to send the money now. The recipient will be notified of your payment immediately. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly send money through PayPal using your phone or tablet. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to send money in PayPal using phone or tablet. Remember, simplifying your financial tasks can make life smoother. See you on my next video.